So for lunch today, I decided I'd do something a little weird. So I was at the store and they had thinly sliced sirloin steak. And I was thinking, what can I do? Well, I'm gonna make deep fried Philly cheesesteak egg rolls or steak rolls. Figured it's time to see what this bad boy can do. We have egg roll wrappers, thinly sliced sirloin steak, onions, yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, pepper, Worcestershire, and salt, and cheese. And the reason why I got this fake flimsy American cheese is with Phillies, you're supposed to use Cheese Whiz or American, and this is pretty much both, so I feel like it's a win. This I seasoned with salt, pepper, onion, paprika, and when I'm cooking it, I put a little Worcestershire sauce on there and finish seasoning it. But first, we're gonna get our bell pepper blend, onions on. I think for Phillies today, we'll get them charred just a little bit and leave just a little bit of texture. That way when we deep fry them, they don't get overcooked. So I'm actually going to turn one burner up, and I think that'll give me the right perfect temperature. We'll season these bad bars up with a little pepper. A little bit of this pure fine grained sea salt. We'll crank that bad boy up there too. I think my veggies are in a good spot right now, so I'm gonna scooch them on over to the cool side. This is already cranked, getting real nice and hot for that steak. I'm gonna just put it on, sear it pretty much, and it's so thin it's gonna be cooked all the way through anyways, but I just want a nice sear crust on there so it tastes just money once we deep fry it. Star of the dish. A little bit of that on there. Turn this down. I'm gonna turn this down, turn this off. Mix these together. I'm gonna turn this off. Let this kind of cool down. Put some cheese on here. And I'm gonna load them up. Get that hot. I think we need more cheese. They are cheese steak egg rolls. Steak rolls. Cheese steak rolls. Pretty important ingredient here. Oh yeah. How do you open these things? Well, I don't make it easy on me. I need a knife. Perfect. Oh, no way, look at that. Oh yeah. Would you look at that? That's what I mean. That fake cheese. That is everything. Nice helping. Boom. Not too much. So hard to fold. If you overfill them. I always overfill them. There's a little bit of water, top three corners. Just fold this up and over. Drag it on down. Drag it down. Fold. Fold. Kind of tuck it in there and roll it. Boom. That's a beauty. Alright. Don't get carried away. Don't get carried away now. That's too much. No. That might be too much. Bang it, man, bang. Fop it. Seal it. Oh, bang it. Roll it. Boom. Killing it today. You just got to do as much as you think will fit. And then go a little bit less, because it won't fit. Alright. Now, if I was smart, I'd be getting this warming up right now, but I don't want to burn the tips of my fingers off, so I'm going to wait, get this out of the way, then get that heating up. Now, the key is to try and make them all the same length and the same thickness, so they cook similarly, but I seem to make them all individual creatures. A little work to do, a little practice on my folding technique. Never make any friends rolling like this. There we go. All right, move these, turn that on to get it hot, clean that bad boy. So I'm gonna be using 2 batches. And I don't even need a deep fry for that long, just to basically crispify the outside, because the inside's all already cooked. So, oh, we're getting brown. We're getting crispy brown. All right, batch number 2. All right, these are beautiful. That one kind of looks like me a little bit. Hard looking is good. Oh, that's a crispy bad boy right there. Look at that. Oh yeah. That is money.
Let's be straight, enemies. Match both technique, cardio. Terminate. Your pride by my shores. Make it there, and choose it. Here we go. Making really on. Getting icy zone. Flexing.
Let's try one of these bad boys. Special sauce, buffalo, blue cheese dressing. Not traditional cheesesteak, but a little bit of amazing. All right, let's try this out. Mmm. Oh yeah. Buffalo, blue cheese, knock your pants off. Mmm. Make this recipe. I don't care if you have to put a pan on the griddle top and just roll them, you know, shallow fry them. Make it. Let me know how they go. These are so good. Make yourself some of this blue cheese buffalo knock your pants off sauce. Subscribe for more amazing videos. Delicious. Delicious. I'm gonna go eat.
Wow!